Today's video, short loop, lovely and gravelly. You told me to say that.
I did. It's gravelly and lovely.
Because some of your off-road around here isn't really off-road. It's off the road, it's just not. It's not off-road.
Off-road means it's not on a road.
I like this.
So when you say off-road, are you actually talking about mountain biking paths?
Yes.
Because this is the problem that people make in this country. Everyone assumes that like
Such a big problem in this country.
No, but that's the thing. So you'll have certain people say, yeah, let's go for a gravel ride, and it'll just be like super technical mountain bike paths, which is not suitable for a gravel bike.
I think it is suitable.
It's not.
Your skills aren't suitable.
My skills are suitable. You're not suitable.
I would like to propose that we start referring to Francis and Daisy as lovely and gravelly.
Whoever says the north doesn't have good weather is lying. It's 22 degrees today, sunny, lovely. Northern wasp sting update. My arm is now doing much better. It's almost back to normal, so proving that my method of kind of ignoring health problems and they will sort themselves out on their own does work. Sometimes. That's not official advice. Yet another ride up here where there's just no interaction with cars. It's so good. I know we bang on about it every video, but the speed you can get onto these wagon ways, it's just so quick and easy. We lost Jimmy. Nice.
I ate him.
It's only a short one, just from by hours, but it's utilising loads of the old railway lines and paths and footpaths, and it's mental. You just realise how many of them all like connect up. As I say that, we're on a road rather than on a path. This next bit is actually a quiet use road. Quiet lane, yeah, look. Cars, bikes, horses, pedestrians. All the things you want on a road. What is this wind?
Windy.
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
Sure.
Nice little effort. I think you tried to drop me.
I tried to make it work, and you worked. We'll be doing a lot of that tomorrow.
What's happening tomorrow?
Top secret ride. I haven't told you about it yet.
No.
Actually got lots of energy though. All the jelly beans. Why is it so hot?
It's not that hot.
It's horrible.
It's not. This is like normal, nice temperature.
It's 25 degrees. It is nice. It's lovely. We have this refreshing. What's the word for a really strong wind?
Strong wind. It's a weird bridge, this.
Yeah, it's high, isn't it? Makes my legs go like jelly.
It's like the fence from Jurassic Park.
It is a bit, isn't it?
What do you think of the northeast so far?
Yeah, quite like it.
Good trees. Yeah. It's probably a dinosaur in those ones, but
Couldn't imagine living here, but it's nice.
can't ride with you with that on your leg. You have to rub it off with a strawberry.
No, it got sticky.
There's a very large bug on you, and I'm not going to tell you where it is.
Oh, you fucker. Sit. Can you seriously? God damn it.
It's about the size of the head of a needle. It probably bit you.
You guys are meanies.
I am actually struggling with this heat.
20 degrees.
Literally, like my head is so sweaty.
This is the first time I've been warm in 5 days.
It's dropped back down to 19 degrees now.
Oh, my mum came and visited us in London once in November in a place where the central heating didn't work, and I remember coming in and being like, oh God, you have to turn the heating down. I'm like, there was no heating on, and I didn't get it at the time, and now I'm slowly acclimatising again, and I get it. It's too hot, Francis.
So on the plus side, we have a tailwind, a strong tailwind all the way back. On the negative side, there's a massive rain cloud kind of in the direction that we're going. It wasn't supposed to rain today. I think I jinxed the weather talking to the camera earlier. Hopefully we won't get caught in that, and we'll make it back just in time for a very special appointment that we got lined up in Sunderland.
Average speeds on the off-road stuff.
Yeah, I know. Every ride is a smash fest. And the terrain isn't fast. Like, some of it's single track and we are just going.
It's really hard on the road. Like, the hills are just steep.
This is the first time we've come back and our bikes aren't covered in shit. Yeah, all right.
Only like £20.
Where are we going, Emily?
Where are we going indeed?
I love all the bike grease. The chain marks on them.
It's so fucked, isn't it? You can't see my expression.
Can't see the pain on your face.
So also there's a bit of biro there because I drew it on.
Right.
Just to see what I felt like it. I've heard that if it's on your bone it hurts.
That's it. All hurts the same.
Okay, fine.
You'll be fine.
Okay, great.
Jimmy, we should probably explain what's going on here. Scott, we kind of know from the internet because he watches these videos, but he also does tattoos and he lives in Sunderland, so that's why we're here. We're getting, what are we getting? Cheers.
We should probably film this after just to make sure that I actually go through with it.
I'm gonna get a tattoo.
Of my face on your back.
I'm not getting a tattoo of your face on
I
my
will
back.
pay for it. And you, £20.
When Jimmy and I went on our... Yeah. Oh, that's fine. That's okay. Jimmy and I went on our first holiday together. We were trying to find matches to like the hob in our apartment. And there weren't any, so we went to the local shop and the woman didn't speak a word of English, so we were trying to explain, like, we need some matches. She was like, matches? She went, oh, matches. And she came back and she brought us a scratch card for matches, and I thought we literally like laughing our heads off about it. So we were joking about getting matching tattoos, me and Jimmy, so that's what we're going to do. We're getting matchsticks on us. I had to tell my mum I was doing this before I did it, because she definitely, my dad watches you now. Sorry, Dad. Stingy now, it feels like I've been stung by something. Wait, let me turn to my car so it looks like it's.
I was trying to get Francis to get my full face, like full size face on his back, and I said I'll pay for it.
Let's do it.
And give him £20.
That's absolutely fine. £20, fair deal.
When he had 3 beers in him, he agreed to it.
I think this is the biggest tattoo place I've ever been in.
It's probably one of the biggest in the northeast.
It's ridiculous.
Another few floors, but the next floor is the only one with somebody else on. So the other two is storage and stuff.
A little strange given I just got off the weed, ain't it? Full house in hand, John Stamos and Candace, huh?
Seen there's a picture of Jimmy in there.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I actually commissioned that. Scott just painted it and I'm here to pick it up now. It's going to go out above our bed. It's a bit sad behind the eyes, I think. He almost looks like his eyes are watering, like he's on the verge of tears.
You did a really hard ride, and then we just ate nothing and came straight here.
Yeah.
And then said, here's some needles in your leg.
Basically the worst tattoo preparation ever.
I was
Eat
sitting over
properly,
there, and I was like, shit,
don't drink the night before. We've messed it all up.
As long as it was a sensible drink.
What's a sensible drink?
5?
Oh, right, a number. Okay, yeah, cool. I thought you were like, a sensible drink is anti-bac sanitizer. I thought it keeps you clean. You do my legs as well. It's quite a good one, because, you know, like, if someone goes,
I think that's wild.
why the fuck did you get the word wild on the back of your arm? It's like, fucking wild,
That was going to be my question. Why are we getting wild tattooed on us, Jimmy?
Because we're wild, obviously. That's it, isn't it? Are you going to do the band reveal? Is that what you're going to do?
No, you can't talk about that yet.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Now I've got 2 swollen arms.
Dizzy did get a tattoo, it's just under a mask, so you can't see it. She's got like a mask
one of those
under a mask.
Like a Bane.
ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bane from Batman.
I got one of those lip tattoos.
Thanks, man.
How do I get this off?
Doesn't come off.
Getting the tape off hairy arms is worse than the tattoo itself. Why is it backwards?